IPC Hand soldering competition, Hungary. We will name the champion, 2025 champion for Hungary today. It's a real pleasure, as usual, to celebrate the electronics manufacturing industry and showcasing hand soldering as a key skill set for our industry, and championing the best of the best in your companies is always very important. The regional qualification this week aims at naming the 2025 champion for Hungary to be invited by IPC at the World Final at Productronica in November in Munich, Germany. IPC, first of all, is extremely grateful to InnoElectro trade show. Thank you, Melt, thank you InnoElectro for hosting us this week again in sunny Budapest. It's a pleasure, always like to be back there. IPC would like to address as well a special gratitude to all our partners and sponsors and thank them for their essential support to this competition. So please allow me to name them all. Our gold sponsors, Weller Tools and GBC Soldering, they are here. Can they stand? GBC and Weller, where is Weller? They are wrong, they are here. Thank you very much for supplying the soldering equipment, soldering station and fume extractors. Our silver sponsors, the company Optilia for the digital inspection equipment, Alnit for the soldering material, Alnit is there, ACB Group and Polygon CAO, who designed and produced the competition PCB, Davum, who supplied the workshop furnitures, and SFM, Société Française de Microscopie, who supplied the optical magnification equipment. Thank you very much. They deserve an applause. Thank you. Finally, please let me congratulate our judges, master IPC trainers from this week 3 different IPC licensed training centers, 2 here in Hungary, and it was from Elash in Budapest. We had Bodi Bella, he's here. Come on stage next to me, Bodi. Join me. And then we had from Micro Solder in Budapest as well, Shejak Sabah, please join me, and Zoltan Jakab. And not present today, unfortunately, but he was there for the rest of the week, Michal Rouse, who is an MIT from Real-Time Technologies. Real-Time Technologies is an IPC licensed training center in Czech Republic and Slovakia. So thank you very much for your invaluable contribution. You can join me on stage, don't be shy, come with me. They did a great job welcoming the competitors, briefing them, watching the process of the assembly of the circuit boards, and of course scoring the different PCBAs. So thank you very much for that. And of course, I will finish by thanking all of you, all the participants and their companies for engaging in the challenge and taking part in our competition. Thank you very much. This week, we had a total of 42 professional competitors during 3 days. In these 42 competitors, we had 14 women and 28 men, representing altogether a total of 20 companies and 3 universities from Hungary. That's nice. Now we reach a time when we will know who the winners are, and I will announce our podium. At the end of the competition today, we counted only 5 totally or partially functional boards, correct, Jakob? 5, huh?
Yes, 5.
So 5 out of 42, that gives you kind of an idea of the challenge. It's very difficult. The board is extremely challenging, very difficult. There are like 125 very, very tiny components, O4O2 for those who know what it is. And and they have to complete the board within 60 minutes. which is very difficult indeed. Only, how many were fully functional? Only 3, huh? 3 boards out of the 5 were fully functional, no defect, and were scored. Now, who are the winners? You want to know. I will call names, and I will ask the person I call, I will ask he or her to come on stage and join me. So today, this week, in this 2027 Championship Hungary, the 3rd place comes to Mr. Adam Istvan from Eurocircuit KFT in Hungary. Adam scored a board at 739 points. Adam is here? Come, Adam, join me. Number 3 on the podium. Congratulations. So this is for you, Adam. And I was saying Adam scored 739 points compared to the maximum possible of 816 points possible. He produced his board in 59 minutes and 22 seconds. That's very precise. And so he's receiving from IPC winner certificate. He will receive, after the ceremony, a cash prize of 100 euro, it's 40,000 Hungary forint. And he's receiving a present from our sponsor, Weller. So tell us what it is. It's a beautiful soldering. So I repeat, it's a complete soldering station for Adam. He's receiving as well a present from our sponsor Almit. And last but not least, he's receiving a book from our judge and sponsor Elash with Body Bella. This is a book about soldering. This is a book that Body actually wrote, so that's very interesting. Thank you. Well done. Well done. Thank you. So, next, number 2, the 2nd place on our podium comes to Mr. Shilard Shabi from Tommy Invest Electronica. Come. So, Tommy, no, sorry, Shabi. You completed a board scoring at 765 points compared to the maximum possible of 816 points, and you produced it in 60 minutes. You used all the time. You're receiving a certificate from IPC. You will get from me a cash prize of 200 euros, which is 81,000 florins, if I'm not wrong, and a present from our sponsor Weller. Please come back. So again, a nice soldering station. He's receiving as well a sponsor from a present from our sponsor Almit. And the soldering book from Body Bella and Elash. Thank you. Congratulations, well done. Number 2, next time you win. Thank you. And now, the big moment. Who is the winner? Who is our champion? The winner is Mr. Peter Richard Zombok from BHE Bonn, Hungary, again. Come here, Peter. I will put a new policy, Peter. I have to. Congratulations, Peter. So Peter is the winner in Hungary for the fourth time now. Fourth time in a row. 4 times in a row. That's amazing. Congratulations, first place, you won. You completed a board scoring at 795 points compared to the maximum possible of 816. So it's very good. 21 penalty, it's very, very good. You produced it in 55 minutes and 45 seconds. So a lot of time available. And you received a certificate from IPC. You're receiving, again, a cash price of the equivalent of 300 euros, which is 121,000 Hungarian florins later. And you will receive now a brand new soldering station from our sponsor GBC Tools. Beautiful, wireless. You need 4 ends, because now you're receiving a beautiful soldering station as well from our sponsor Weller. So I have to mention what is with it. So there is a soldering station, a soldering kit, beautiful. Okay. You will receive as well a beautiful present from our sponsor Almit. Yeah, let me help you. Let me help you. I told you, you need 4 hands. We need your boss. Come help him. Come on stage. You need to help him. He has too much in his hand. Congratulations. And then you're receiving as well a beautiful book from Elash and Body Bella. Come, Body. And as you know the routine, huh, Peter? That's not it. You have something more. For the 4th time in a row, you will be invited by IPC to travel to Munich for the World Championship in November at Productronica. Congratulations. You will meet the 20 other champions in the world that will be there to struggle for the #1 world title in hand soldering. Congratulations. You made it again. Good. That's it. Thank you very much. I see you again very soon.
Egy rövid kiegészítés, hogy a tavalyi versenyen, nemzetközi versenyen 4. helyezést ért el, ami szerintem nagyon szép, és egyben ennek a versenynek a színvonalát is jelzi.
This year again, we are presenting as a complement to the individual titles that we just awarded to all the podium. We are presenting as well an award for the best company team at hand soldering for Hungary. It's important for us as well to recognize the effort of companies that are engaging 2 or more competitors in the competition, and therefore our judges have selected those companies that have 2 or 3 competitors in the competition are automatically enrolled in this award. And our judges at the end of the competition, they are picking the two best scores in a team. We combine them, we add them up, and the best combined score wins, okay? So this year there were 9 companies presenting a team of 2 or more competitors in our competition. The best company team at Hand Soldering is receiving an award for their trophy place, and will be listed as a winner in our yearly trophy list. The winner this year is BHE Bonn, Hungary, with a combined score of 795 points. That the 2 competitors, of course, Peter Richard Zombock, and the second competitor was Hermann Tibor. So their combined score, which is actually the score of Peter Zombock, made them win. So you are the winner. You won the trophy this year. Congratulations. Congratulations, Peter. He's busy. You won the company team as well. Yes. So on this, I would like to say thank you. Thank you for your interest and your attention. I would like to congratulate all the winners. Well done. And all the participants and their companies for making it. So thank you very much. I hope I can meet you all of you again next year here in Budapest, and maybe I see some of you at the World Final, the World Championship in Munich at Productronica in November. Thank you very much.